Hey there, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to your YouTube channel name, your go-to destination for all things numismatic. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into the 1979 small-size 1 penny coin. This little piece of copper holds not just monetary value, but also a rich history. Join me as we uncover its story and learn about its worth in today's market. The value of a 1979 Elizabeth II coin can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and the specific type of coin it is. Without more specific information, it's difficult to provide an exact value. I recommend consulting with a professional coin appraiser or researching recent sales of similar coins to get a better idea of its value. Before we jump into the value and history, let's take a moment to appreciate the design of this coin. Minted in 1979, this penny features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, with the denomination 1 penny in the year 1979 inscribed around the edge. On the reverse side, we see the beautiful depiction of the portcullis, a symbol associated with British royalty and Parliament. Now, you might be wondering, what makes the 1979 1 penny coin special? Well, its smaller size sets it apart from its predecessors. In 1971, the UK transitioned to a decimal system, resulting in the introduction of smaller size coins, including the penny. Now let's talk about the value. The 1979 1 penny coin, while not particularly rare, still holds value among collectors. Its worth can vary based on factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. A well-preserved specimen in uncirculated condition could fetch a higher price compared to a coin with signs of wear and tear. Additionally, any minting errors or unique characteristics can significantly increase its value. You might find the 1979 1 penny coin being sold for anywhere between a few pence to a couple of pounds, depending on its aforementioned attributes. Now, let's journey into the past and explore the historical context surrounding the 1979 1 penny coin. The late 70s were a time of economic change and political shifts in the UK. The introduction of smaller-sized coins like the 1 penny coin was part of the country's efforts to modernize its currency system and streamline transactions. While the 1979 1 penny coin might seem like a small part of this larger narrative, it symbolizes a pivotal moment in British monetary history. And there you have it, folks. The story and value of the 1979 small-size 1 penny coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coin-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.